Contemplate suicide, depressed, trying to become bench pressing the air, loading a 9, making songs to my fears, humming a psalm. Could have did it, would have took my own life. I should be done. Pop pills, smoke weed, then the bottle will come. Novocaine, hit that pain is numb. Antisocial, but I'm playing it dumb. Had to nip it in the butt, now we left with a start. Lost my cousin to this poverty, that cancerous lung. Couldn't bury him the same week, writing begun. Pops told me, don't sweat it, don't water the pus. But the pain is engraved, I was plotting my grave. Why him, why son? He was one of the greats. Not once did his character fade. Had the heart of a lion like that character trait. He the one they hated on, the one they treated wrong. But the one that made me a man, said be strong. This world is a dangerous cold. Freeze you, then it frees your soul. God.
You see me smiling while the pain is killing me. Sometimes I try to hide, but it follows me. I'm trying to run away from this bad energy. Lord, give me power when I face the enemies. You see me smiling while the pain is killing me. Sometimes I try to hide, but it follows me. I'm trying to run away from this bad energy. Lord, give me power when I face the enemy.
Boy, I grew up in a dead, I'm just happy I'm alive. Grew up in a den where the lines take lives. Been blocking K9s, robbery on daylight. Losing a fight with my thoughts, now I'm fighting suicide. How many lives that I lost? How many titles that I won without even losing one? Now I'm back on my feet, I refuse a defeat. And I still don't see a vision of my symmetry. I see these enemies playing games for ending me, but I rose from the graves, I'm Jehovah Elohim. So all my pain has been written in Greek. Ngulungulu is living in me. Had to switch and it's obviously a meaning of never decrease.
You see me smiling while the pain is killing me. Sometimes I try to hide, but it follows me. I'm trying to run away from this bad energy. Lord, give me power when I face the enemies. You see me smiling while the pain is killing me. Sometimes I try to hide, but it follows me. I'm trying to run away from this bad energy. Lord, give me power when I face the enemy.
Knowing the best I could give is my verse and my word. I had to buy me dictionaries and invest in the word. Now I'm closer to my savior, cause you know he the word. Put the pain on the picture like Van Gogh. I was closer to death. White your cut, death to the therapy stuff. Hit that alcohol bottle on clutch. Weak man, yeah, I see the facade. I was depressed but my ex were tough. Trying to think what to think when your thoughts are dark. Asking God, what God? I'm an atheist now, not that fake shit now. Have the keys to the piano on my door, so I hit them black and white. Trying to get the right chord, therefore I'm Nietzsche. Don't compare me to job. If this life is worth living, then I need me some shots. Pour that vodka, make that glass half empty, half full, then throw in the rocks. God.